Welcome, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Please be seated.
Thank you, sir. What happened to Prabhati, madam, sir?
Recently, they did a real estate deal with you, right?
Yeah.
We just wanted to inquire about that.
What is the doubt, sir?
Is there a problem with this property?
Absolutely nothing, sir. No issues, sir. Even their payment settlement is neat and white.
Who is the mediator here?
Straight, sir. Actually, we went to the place and saw it. It's prime location. We liked it. We directly visited her, but the deal took some time. But she's straight, sir. She wanted to do everything within a legal boundaries, sir. She paid her taxes here, finished all the formalities. We transferred all the amount to her US account.
Is there
sir.
any other legal beneficiary other than Prabhavati?
No, sir. She's the only daughter.
Anyone else is involved in this?
As per our knowledge, no one else is involved. It's just her parents and her husband.
Okay, in case if you get to know that anyone else is involved in this, please let me know.
Sure, sir.
Okay? Thank you.
Sure, sir.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, Rajesh is receiving an international call.
Please call them.
Fast.
Attend this immediately. Record the call.
Hello, Mr. Rajesh.
Who is
How
it?
are you?
Who are
How
you?
are you doing?
What do you want?
Do you know where your wife and your kid is?
What happened?
Hmm?
What happened to my wife and my kids? What happened?
Don't make noise. Now both of them are in my custody. If you do what I say, I'll let
Tell
go
me what
them
I have to do.
both. Huh?
What are your demands?
I'll talk about my demands later. I'll call on the same number later. If you try to inform this to the police and become an hero, your wife and kid will be murdered.
My wife and my kid, huh? Sir, it's disconnected, sir.
Calm down, calm down. Hey, buddy, what are you thinking?
By tomorrow, we'll be getting the remaining amount, right?
Give me the tea, man. We don't know whether we'll be there tomorrow. You're asking we'll get money or something?
What are you saying? It's been very scary.
Yes, man. We were called here by Maya. They killed Maya itself.
Please don't scream at any cost. They have killed the police officers.
Hey, buddy,
Huh?
even I'm scared, man.
Huh?
Person showing his fear outside is public.
Huh?
One who doesn't is rowdy.
Huh?
We all are rowdy, right? Huh? Shh. Hey, don't make noise. Don't
Does
make
he
noise.
really want this build up?
Good morning, sir. Where is that lady, man? Which lady, sir? What, man, you act as though you don't know anything? You loved her, right, Prabhavati? You asked me where I have kept that lady, right? I've kept her here, sir. Hey, his dad didn't agree for your marriage, that's why you have kidnapped her now, right? What is this, sir? Just like in a movie, even in reality, police behaves like this? Then, didn't you love that girl? Yes, sir. I was in love with her, sir, genuinely. When I approached and proposed her, she only told me to talk to her dad. She said if he is okay, I am also okay. She's a very good lady, sir. Very straightforward. When I actually met her father, he said I'll only give my daughter to a foreign guy. They said it's their long time wish. That's why they didn't want to get her married to me. They told me this and they wanted me to leave. After that, I didn't disturb that girl, sir. Like her dad wished, she also wanted to move abroad. I too left my job in India and went to America, sir. After working there for 2 years, when I came to the airport in India, there my Prabha, she was about to go to America with her husband permanently. That's when I got to know she got married. I was really upset, sir. But I do love her, sir. That's why I kept quiet. My love still remains with me, sir. Because my love is true. Okay, leave all that. Go. If I call you for inquiry, you have to come. For some days, don't go anywhere outside. I will not go, sir. I'll leave now. He
Sir.
looks like a very innocent guy.
Okay,
Still,
sir.
you keep an eye on
Yes,
him.
sir.
Madam, if you transfer the fund quickly, we can leave this place as soon as possible. Police also came here. I don't think it's safe to be here anymore. For that, only transfer the fund quickly. What are you thinking about? Do you want anything?
I want my baby. I have agreed to transfer fund, right? You can give my baby back to me, no? Please.
Okay.
You have the internet connection now. You can transfer the amount to us.
Yes, boss. Tell me. Boss? She's transferring right now. She's typing the account number. That process is going on, boss. Yes, boss. That is not a problem. We actually killed both the policemen. Boss? Who is coming? Chandralekha madam, huh? Okay, boss. I'll follow it up. Hey, what happened, dude?
There is a network issue over here.
Why is that?
So it's Mr. Stephen from Interpol.
Hello? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Inspector,
Sir.
can you get the facts?
Okay, sir.
Huh. Hmm? Did they transfer the funds?
Oh, network problem.
Uh-huh. Network problem. For this long? Uh-huh. Why is this kid disturbing us? Hey. What are you looking? Kill her, man. Are you all watching a show here?
Isai, come here.
If you want your kid alive, transfer right away. Manager, come and check here. Check, I see. You're telling a story since morning. Now you can't do that. Come on, fast. Give your phone here. Hello, boss. Network problem. That's why it got late. I'll try to rectify it. It will be done in some time. Okay, boss. You please wait in the car.
60,
I will come and join you in
65.
some time. Okay, boss.
70.
Sure, thank you.
75, 80, 90, 100.
Hmm?
Success.
Very good. Hey, shoot them both. Huh? You don't want to shoot?
Sorry, madam. Boss only told me to kidnap. He told me to transfer the fund. That's it. I can't shoot her. That is not my work also.
What are you saying? Which boss are you talking about? I am the boss here. Mind it. Shoot them.
Impossible,
Hey,
madam.
if you don't shoot now.
Ayo, madam.
I want money.
Sir.
Bro.
Mummy.
Sorry, ma. Go. Go away from this, please, very fast, madam.
Mummy, I'm scared.
Daddy?
Rajesh.
Did you come, Daddy?
Where were you, Rajesh? Look what happened to us. Rajesh.
Sorry, Prabha.
I love you, Rajesh.
I love you
I
too.
love you so much.
Prabha, I'm here, right?
What happened, Daddy? Did they hit you also? So sad of Mummy,
Don't
Daddy.
worry, my sunshine. Your father is here, right? Right?
Rajesh.
My sweet child. What happened, Prabha? Why are you crying? What actually happened over here?
They had kidnapped us, Rajesh. They asked me to transfer 120 crores we had in our account.
It's only money, right? Let it go. You're very important for me, Prabha. Right? You should have transferred that amount, Prabha.
I had transferred, Rajesh.
Did you really do it? Huh? Then why are they torturing you like this? See now.
No, Rajesh, stop.
Huh?
He only saved me.
He was the one who helped you, huh? Mhm. Thank you. Thank you very much. Right? 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 Hi. Your name is Vijay Ram. Right? I've heard about you. My manager Gerald Joseph told about you. You lost your bank job, right? You want 25 lakhs for your sister's marriage, right? Now you're in a very bad situation. You can't even afford flight ticket. If you do whatever I say, your problem will be solved. You'll get the money that's required for you. Tell me if you're okay with it. I'll arrange you the flight ticket. To a 5-star hotel. 26 early morning at 2:30. There'll be an accident. Accident. Right? Madam. My boss. You were asking for him, right? It is sir only. He's my boss. He was the one who told me to kidnap you, madam. Whatever you say, my wife won't believe you, man. Because she's my Prabha. Madam, the one who installed spy camera in your house, it was sir only. He also told me all your personal details, madam. For my consciousness, I did not say it. What, boss? Right?
Don't touch me!
Prabha, you won't believe me.
Gee! Are you really a human? You kept camera in bathroom and bedroom. I feel ashamed. I had doubt. There was nobody at home apart from us. And I trusted you.
All my performance until now went down the drain. How long should I wear this on my head? Check. The doctor did not pay attention to my words. He overreacted. You guys don't leave me to be a hero until the end, right? Now I'm a villain to you guys, right? Shit! You somehow managed to find me, bro. Brilliant. Bad boy. What, man? I told you to do one job of transferring the amount, right? Instead of doing it, you're helping her and creating a sentiment scene? You're trying to be a hero or what? If a bank gives an employment opportunity to a guy like you, what will happen to it? Okay, beautiful. You know everything about me. You were actually told to transfer all the money in your account. You have transferred only little money to my account. You think you're smart or what? No problem. You're my wife, right? If you can't do this, what's the use?
After marriage, I have spent 5 years.
She began, dude.
To cheat me like this. How could you do this? Since 5 years, you have been acting now. Just look at the baby. You have cheated her also, no?
Ay. How many times should I listen to this dialogue? What's your problem? Women like you will never leave the sentiment dialogues or what? It's okay. You come here, beautiful. Are you scared by looking at your father? Let us initiate a play with your mother right now.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay. You should just follow whatever I say. What you have to do right now is just to sit only.
Okay, Daddy.
Transfer the fund quickly. If not, I'll kill your daughter right now.
Don't do her anything. I will transfer the fund.
Simply for fun, Mummy.
My beautiful daughter. You'll transfer it now? You should just transfer all the funds right now.
Please make it fast.
Make it quick. Prabha, no. No, Prabha. No, Prabha. No, Prabha. Prabha, no. Prabha, no. Prabha, no. Prabha, no.
Think women are so cheap?
Prabha. Prabha, I'm your loving husband.
Enough of your useless sentiments. Now women have all changed a lot. Worshipping husband and all has gone far now. Even if it is husband who cheated on, women is strong enough to kill him also. If I leave you, you will spoil other women's life. People like you should not be alive. Death is your proper punishment.
Madam, for whatever mistakes I did, for my greediness, I should definitely get some punishment. I know I did some grave mistake. I need some punishment, madam. Today, if you're in this bad situation, I'm also a reason. I'll punish myself, madam. Give it.
Freeze!
Drop the gun. Sir. Kneel down, man.
No, sir, please. He's the reason I am alive. Don't do anything to him. Please.
Leave him.
Yes, sir. Please come. Prabha? Ramesh, sir?
Granny.
It's alright. It's alright. Your grandfather has come. Don't worry. Aren't you ashamed to call yourself a doctor? Get inside.
Prabha, what happened to you? He is the one, Mom, baby. He is the one who saved me. My husband is not good, Mom. He cheated on me all these years. Don't cry, Prabha.
It'll be alright.
Sir, reason behind everything is my husband.
Yes,
I know.
we know.
I
Yes,
know.
we know.
We know your husband is a criminal. He has many
lot of
cases in many
on his
countries.
name.
He has
He
been
runs
running a fake matrimonial site and has ruined life of a lot of girls. He has not been caught even in one case because he don't use regular criminals. He only uses people like this who want money, that's it.
We can discuss about the case later. Let us hospitalize him first. Inspector. Yes, sir.
Forgive me, child. I'm sorry, Ma. Sorry.
We are very grateful.
Thanks
to
a lot.
for
You have
saving
saved
our
my daughter and granddaughter.
Bye.
Bye, Uncle. Bye. Mummy, what happened to that uncle?
Thanks a lot, sir.
Leave all your thanks and gratitude. Why these parents are like this? When a baby is in the womb yet to be born, that time itself you guys will decide which hospital and what time it should be born. After the delivery, even if it gets a small scratch or just a cold, you will take him to a specialist. Even while buying a cloth, you will do window shopping in 4 places. When it comes to school and education, you will inquire everywhere. While you take care so many of these things in the everyday activities of a child or a woman, when it comes to marriage, why do you guys check online and decide on a bride without proper inquiry about his background? My son-in-law is in America. My son-in-law is in London just for you to boast in front of others. Just because you have a craze about this, without even proper inquiry, you'll get your daughter married to a scoundrel like this and ruin her life.
Lot of innocent girls have lost their lives because of this. Even in Canada, a very innocent girl, her husband, for the sake of insurance money, even without considering she is pregnant, he tried killing her. That girl, she is still in coma. For these things, don't think foreign son-in-law is a great choice.
If they have a Bill Gates, we have Ambani. If there is Steve Jobs, here Narayan Murthy. If there is Henry Ford, here Ratan Tata. If they have Michael Jackson, we have Prabhudeva. Even we have good educated and knowledgeable persons here. At least now you understand this.
We have
understand
made a mistake, sir. Please forgive us. Thank you so much, sir. Please come.